Hello. Today we're going to talk about 3 ways to scale your business without overworking. Hey there. Welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks Tuesday. I'm Melody Cole, and I'm your host. And today we're talking about something every entrepreneur and small business owner wants to achieve: scaling your business without burning out. Yes, it's possible. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 simple yet powerful ways to scale your business without overworking yourself. Let's dive in. Part 1, outsource and delegate tasks. The first way to scale your business without overworking is by outsourcing or delegating. I like to call it point and shoot. This truth is so true because you can't do it all, and you shouldn't have to. Start by identifying the repetitive or time-consuming tasks in your business. Maybe it's social media management, customer support, or administrative tasks. These are things that can easily be handed off to a virtual assistant, freelancer, or even an in-house team member. By delegating, you free up your time to focus on higher value activities like strategic planning or serving your clients. And remember, when you delegate, you're also giving others the opportunity to shine. It's a win-win. But remember, start small, outsourcing just one task at first, and you'll be amazed on how much time you gain. Part 2, automate repetitive processes. The second way to scale without overworking is to automate repetitive process. Automation is a game changer when it comes to saving time and scaling efficiency. Think about the task you do over and over again. Things like sending follow-up emails, onboarding new clients, or invoices. With tools like Melody's Business Solution CRM all-in-one, you can set up systems that work for you 24/7, even while you're sleeping. Imagine automating your entire client's onboarding process. New clients get welcome letters, signed contracts, meetings are scheduled, all without you lifting a finger. Automating these processes will not only save you time, but also ensure consistency and professionalism. You're scaling without adding more hours to your day. Isn't that awesome? Part 3, create scalable offers. The third way to scale your business without overworking is by creating scalable offers. If your business relies solely on one-on-one services, you'll eventually hit a ceiling. You can only serve so many clients in a day. To scale, consider creating offers that allow you to serve many people at once. Group coaching programs, digital courses, membership sites are great ways to leverage your expertise while serving a larger audience. The best part, once these offers are created, you can market and sell them over and over without having to recreate the wheel. This is what I call creating one asset and getting paid for it over and over again. Now, how's that for work smarter, not harder? This is how you start scaling smartly, by packaging your expertise into products or services that don't require more of your time for every sale. All right, to recap, here are 3 ways to scale your business without overworking. Outsource or delegate the tasks that aren't the best use of your time. Automate repetitive process so your businesses run on autopilot. Create scalable offers that allow you to serve more clients without extra work. Now, always remember, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss next week's Tips and Tactic Tuesdays. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for a free guide on how to start automating your business today. Until next time, scale smart.